Welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm going to take you on how to create a flyer in CorelDraw 2021. Without further ado, let's step into it. So let's go ahead to this place, change it to A4, then you go ahead to your rectangle tool, create an object on top of that. Good. So after that, what we needed to do is to really look at what can really even place this design. So let's go ahead and sample this woman's color and point right here, or better still, let's just make a copy of the image. Then you go ahead to your shape tool, range from the top, then you hold Ctrl key on keyboard, drag it down. So we are cutting this portion, purple portion of the clothes, just like so. Likewise the other side. Good. So let's make it bigger. So after that, what we needed to do is to bitmap, convert to bitmap. It's okay. Good. Let's Powerclip that into place, adjust that. Good. So right now the next step is to Powerclip this picture into place. Go over to object, then you locate Powerclip, place inside frame, select the frame, hold Alt key on keyboard, just pull this down a little bit, reduce that. Good. So let's go ahead and arrange the text. So we'll start from here. What we're gonna do is to just copy all the way from network to keeping it. Ctrl K, hold Ctrl down on keyboard, then click on X, press on X to cut it. Then you go ahead and hold Ctrl key on keyboard, or then you press V to paste. Change it to white. So let's go ahead and just cut this part, then you paste. Good. So right now what we're going to do is to go ahead is to debold the font, clear information, then you go ahead likewise this, debold, then go ahead, let's just make it title case. Good. Then you make it bigger. After that, what we needed to do is to enter from connect, click on shape tool, then give it space, go ahead and just fold in this all up. Good. Let's delete the comma. Good. So right now let's make it a bit bigger. Then you go ahead with the shape tool to increase the tracking a little bit. So after that, let's go ahead and just make this a bit bigger. Good. Give it the left right alignment. Good. So let's go ahead and increase the tracking a little bit, just like so. Good. So right now let's create a box on top of it, just like so. Change it to white, right click on this to set the outline to none, then you go ahead and make a copy downward. Let's delete the dots. Good. So right now what next is to bring in the address and the water view. So what we are going to do now is to hit Ctrl K on keyboard to break the text into pieces. Go ahead to your color eyedropper to select that, then you sample the color of the cap of the woman. After it's been sampled, you go ahead and point on the text. Good. So let's zoom down. So let's go ahead and just change the font to white. So go ahead and give it, right alignment. Let's use shape tool, draw it closer to each other. That's a tracking. Then let's go ahead, debold that. Then you go ahead and bold the Lagos and the Abuja. That's the subheading of that. So let's go ahead and delete the address. Good. So right now, let's enter from here. Then let's go ahead and bring in the symbol of email and what's it called, websites. Change it to white. Good. Go to page up. Then let's adjust that. Good. Can you see that? Zoom down. This is interesting. So what we're gonna do next is to go ahead and just give it a right alignment. Let's reduce this a bit. Good. Bring this downward a bit. Then you go ahead and just let's create something unique. It's all about the connection. So let's create an object just like so. Make a copy inward a bit. Then you go ahead, make a copy. When it gets to your destination, you right click to copy paste. Likewise the last one, which is so make a copy inward just like so. After that, make a copy. So let's select 2 by 2 individually, combine. Select the second one, combine. Then you go ahead, combine. So right now, let's select the 3 objects, combine, Ctrl L. So go over to create, cut some part off just like so. So right now, let's hold Shift key on keyboard, select the object, trim. Good. Let's delete this. Can you see the indication? Group this all up. So what we're going to do right now is to reduce this, scroll it a bit, then position it to the tip of the phone. Make a copy upwards, make it bigger, and make a copy, make it bigger. Good. So right now what you're going to do is to go ahead and right click on this, set the outline to none. Then let's go over and give it a shadow. Good. Go over to object, locate, break 6 objects apart, automatically breaks. Then you group it all up again. Good. Right now, can you see the end of the tutorial? Can you see how simple and classic it is? Thank you for following me. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the button below, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that like button so that other people can benefit from what we have shared so far. See you in the next video. Bye for now.